Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 run as administrator not working. First method is type UAC in Windows search bar, click change user account control settings. Move to lowest position. Second method is type netplwiz in Windows search bar, click netplwiz. Select username, click properties. Click group membership tab, check administrator, click apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.